What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nicole, and today we are gonna be vlogging using a lens that I just got. It's a disposable camera lens and I am using it on my Sony a7 IV. Today's vlog is mainly just me doing some errands, packing orders, because I have a few custom orders that I needed to ship out today. And so I'm doing that, and then afterwards we're going to be running to the post office and doing some grocery shopping. Hope you enjoy. Hello. I decided that it would be a pretty fun video to do a vlog using a disposable camera, kind of. It's a disposable camera lens that fits my Sony camera, and it's really thin. It's easy to carry around. I'm used to vlogging with my G7X. This is definitely a new experience for me, shooting with my Sony a7 IV and this small pancake lens. But it is a lens by this company called Pocket Dispo, so they recycle actual disposable camera lenses and turn them into these lenses that you can put into your cameras. I really like it. It's really pushing me to learn how to vlog with my Sony camera, which is something that I've wanted to do. It's really easy because it's very thin. It doesn't need a lens cap. So I just kind of carry this around as is, and I also don't have to worry about aperture because it is fixed to f11, which means I don't have to worry about focusing. I just need to worry about like not being too close to the camera, just like a disposable camera. But honestly, I kind of dig the blurry look of things that are too close to the lens. I love it. I'll leave a link in the description box to where I got it, as well as a discount code. You get 10% off if you use this code. So make sure to do that. It is a cloudy day here in San Francisco, and it's very bright, but it's very cloudy and windy and cold, which is the opposite of how the week has been going so far. Of course, it decides to be this way the day that I vlog. I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about the schoolwork that I need to do. Anyway, we started our day with some breakfast, and then I prepared some orders, as you saw, to be shipped. So I shipped those, and I also sent my dad's Father's Day card. And then after that, we did some grocery shopping because I am going camping this weekend. So I did that. And then I grabbed some lunch there as well at Whole Foods. I was supposed to go climbing, but I'm too stressed out thinking about my schoolwork, so I am gonna do this first and then reward myself with some climbing after dinner, and also after packing for my camping trip tomorrow. Just lots to do in general today. I think I woke up pretty early, so I got a lot of stuff done. Wish me luck with my schoolwork, and I'll see you guys later. Somewhere in time, I'd have probably been the greatest love of your life. Maybe down a different road, you would still be mine. Somehow